It's Ashley Applegate with Kentucky Welding Institute, and we're doing a training this week here in Kentucky for instructors who want to implement the AWS Sense curriculum into their program. So with me today is Miss Evelin with American Weld Society. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Ashley.
So give us in a quick nutshell, what do you think, or what is the AWS Sense program?
So the AWS Sense program is a curriculum that's based for fundamentals of welding that instructors are able to base on their current welding curriculum and just do basically a plug and play. It provides them with practical and theoretical examinations as well as visual inspection. So that's a cool way of implementing, a basic welding training program into your current welding curriculum. So AWS finds a need in instructing all of our instructors as well as the students, the basic skills that they will need on the professional growth as they embark this welding industry journey.
That's right. We find in the welding industry, there are hundreds of thousands of men and women who are great welders, and you can take that great welder and you bring them into the education setting, but they don't know how to get the student from point A of I can strike an arc to point C, I've got a certificate. And that's where the AWS Sense program really starts to shine.
That's correct. So as an instructor, you'll be able to base off the instructional practicals that we are able to implement on the real world. When they go out to a job site, how they're supposed to act, how they're supposed to present themselves in front of an employer, the importance of being a team player.
Right.
All of that great things, and also the networking that involves within your professional welding growth. So the AWS provides that support for you, and through the Sense program, you're able to just connect from instructor to instructor, share the skills with your students, and if you need the support, this is where individuals like Ashley and Bobby come in and provide you that training that you will need to have a successful Sense program curriculum within your school.
Right. So a lot of instructors out here are watching this, they say, well, I'm a good welder and I only know how to MIG weld, or I'm a good welder, but I've been TIG welding all these years. The AWS Sense program is plug and play. So once you cover some fundamentals of welding, such as safety and weld quality and the torch cutting processes, then you can choose a certificate for your students in only one process. So if you shine as an instructor on what score, or you have the equipment in your shop only to do stick welding, your students can now graduate with that entry-level certificate in that single process only. So if someone is interested in the AWS Sense program, and if you're an instructor, then DM us, reach out and let us know that you're wanting to implement the AWS Sense program in your curriculum.
That's right. So what we're doing here today at KWI is something of importance. The more and more that we go out there, we see instructors wanting to implement the AWS Sense program, they fall short in knowing what entails to run a comprehensive welding program. So here at KWI today, we have instructors that want to implement the Sense program, but just don't know how to go through all the processes and find their skill sets into running this. So KWI here runs every step of the program with the theoretical on how to run it online using our testing system, and also when it comes down to the practical and the visual of the exam. So more and more instructors to feel more comfortable into running the program and go, both feet on the ground and teach all our students the proper way of handling, the welding aspects of everything. With KWI, they go into the nitty-gritty, the do's and don'ts, and that's something that you don't get offhand of just reading a standard. A lot of visual, a lot of, how-to videos, what do's, what don'ts. That's the importance of what we see here at KWI. So if you're interested and you're an instructor here within the Kentucky area or outside of Kentucky and you're seeing this and you need some guidance on how to run the program, I would recommend reaching out to Ashley or Bobby here at KWI, and they will be more than happy to guide you and support you in this journey that you want to embark now in the Sense program.
That's right. So if you're a new instructor, just getting off your tools, or if you're a seasoned instructor and you're looking for something new and you want to challenge your students, then let us know. AWS Sense program, it could be your key to success for your students.
So hopefully you guys like this video. We'll be putting out more videos on our YouTube channel, so subscribe to that. And also check out our website. We have links and we also have shop for clothing and a virtual tour. Until next time, see you there.